Absolutely one more track that I definitely have to mention, Tumbi Tullal. Especially
Ah,
in the phase that
ah,
we are still in, and this track released, you have no idea the
hmm,
magic it has created. And I just can't
right.
describe it with words, but this is a track that has to play a number of times every day, and it played even this morning. No exaggeration here. Any memories of this amazing track?
So this is just pre-COVID lockdowns
Yeah,
started. I had gone to Chennai for recording a couple of songs for him,
yeah,
and this one was straight from the classic Rahman sir book. And so the moment it started, so Karthik, his
yeah.
engineer,
Engineer.
he was like, "Hey, this is Rahman sir's like classic Rahman sir, isn't it?" Like we were all thrilled. So I was learning the song, and uh, we started recording it in Rahman sir, and he was in a very very jovial mood that day.
Right,
Like he
right.
was just joking around, he was just having fun, and he's just like he was so easy that day. Like uh and I was like, okay, this is something I kind of craved for a long
Yeah,
time, being a listener myself. um every Rahman sir fan, especially from my age group, who has lived that time, when we were all growing up listening to
yeah,
all his क्लासिक
yeah,
तक्षक ये
yeah,
सारे जो गाने थे उस वक्त के so we want to hear a typical classic, the 90s style Rahman sir a little bit. We all crave for it. I was like,
yeah,
yay, we get to do something like this after so long. Of course, I forgot that I'm singing it. I was like, oh, this song will be like so much loved by all my friends. We have a few of these friends who
yeah.
are all Rahman sir geeks. Like we listen to everything that releases of his. So like we love it. They will all love it. I will tell them, keep something like this is coming for you guys. Just wait. So then I forgot that I'm singing. Oh, I have to sing also. Okay, I sang, and we had so much fun. And of course, like how Chandar, how it happens is when I'm singing the song, I had no idea what all will be done on the song once I leave the studio.
Yeah, yeah,
So many things were added, like small, 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 small changes, and
yeah,
those added, you know, nadaswarams to
yeah,
the percussions, to from electronic percussions to Indian rhythms to Indian instruments to Western, the blend. Nobody can think of a blend like this. Nobody. Like there is, if you put logic to it, there is no logic, but it all makes sense. There is no logic to why it's coming after this, but it sounds so cohesive and so wonderful. So I told
yeah,
sir when the lockdown happened, even I was feeling
yeah,
very low because
yeah,
someone like me who has only lived outside the house, has never been at home
mm,
for months, stuck at home and not leaving for recordings, not leaving for concerts, not flying anywhere. It's a new life you have to get used
yeah,
to, and I was feeling very
yeah,
low, to be honest. And when this
yeah,
song came, and the monsoons were just about to hit that time, the
yeah, yeah,
monsoons in Bombay are like, we celebrate monsoons like that. We wait
mm,
for barish. Barish makes you romantic, you listen
of
to more
course.
music. So I like, oh, this weather and this song, and I'm sitting in my balcony and listening to on a loop, and my husband is like looking for me, where am I? And
Yeah,
I do not listen to my own songs like this on a loop, Chandar. I don't listen to my own songs. I listen to it once after
oh,
it releases, then I'm done with it. I don't
oh,
get attached to it. I said, okay, it's good. If I keep listening, then I'll be like, okay, I'm wow, what all I've done. And then I'll start finding faults in it. I do find a lot of faults in my singing, and I get bored of it. So I don't listen to it. But for this song, it was such a relief for me as well.